Welcome to our Newlife IVF Medication video series. My name is Cassie and I'll be showing you how to administer Ovaleap. Ovaleap is a follicle-stimulating hormone injection that your fertility specialist has prescribed for you. This medication is generally given once per day. Before we begin, let's prepare. You will need your Ovaleap pen, Ovaleap cartridge, needle for injection, and sharps container. Wash your hands with warm soapy water and dry thoroughly. Start by taking your Ovaleap pen out of its box. Remove the green cap. Next, remove the Ovaleap cartridge from its plastic packaging. Ensure your pen dose indicator is at 0. If not at 0, press the green button at the end of your pen until the indicator displays 0. Twist the end of the Ovaleap pen anti-clockwise to release and open the clear cartridge holder. To load your cartridge, the black internal plunger needs to be fully retracted. If not retracted, wind the black collar in the direction of the small white arrows as far as it will go. Now, load your Ovaleap cartridge into the clear cartridge holder, with the metal tip of the cartridge facing the end of the pen. Ensure that the plunger is lined up with the cartridge grey plug. Turn the holder in a clockwise motion until firmly in place. Now it's time to remove the paper seal from the fresh needle. Remember to keep your fingers clear to avoid pricking yourself. Turn and push the needle onto the pen until it feels firm. The end of the Ovaleap pen can only be turned one way to set your prescribed dose in the dosage window. If you happen to dial past your prescribed dose, press the green button at the end of your pen until the indicator returns to your prescribed dose. When your prescribed dose is displayed in the dosage window, remove the larger clear cap from the end of the pen, then carefully remove the smaller cap to reveal the needle. You are now ready to inject. This injection is given below the navel line. It should be injected at least a couple of centimeters away from the navel. Make sure you rotate injection sites with each injection to avoid irritation. Now, pinch your belly using your thumb and index finger. Hold your Ovaleap pen in your fist in your dominant hand at a 90-degree angle. Ensure the dosage window is visible. Insert the needle into your skin. Push down on the green release button located halfway down the pen. Once the dose is completed, the dosage window should now read 0. Wait for 5 seconds and then release your pinch and remove the needle from your skin. You have now finished injecting your Ovaleap. You will need to remove the needle from the end of the pen. You can do this by using the larger clear cap you had previously removed. Place it back onto the end of your needle. Turn in an anti-clockwise direction until the needle has been removed. Place the used needle into your sharps container. If there is not a sufficient amount for your next dose, empty cartridges can also be disposed of in the sharps container. Place the lid back onto the pen and store in the fridge. The Ovaleap cartridge can remain within the pen, ready for the next dose. If there is not a sufficient amount for your next dose, please load a brand new cartridge into the Ovaleap pen. Empty cartridges can be disposed of in the sharps container. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact our nursing team on 03 8080 8939.